Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on vibrate on touch in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the setting icon. Here you will see click on the setting icon. Now you will see many options. Scroll up some more and click on the sound and vibration option. Click on that. You will see many option here. Scroll up and click on the vibrate on touch option. Here you will see which is already off in our mobile phone. So if you want to turn on vibrate on touch, so firstly on this, so it means that it produces vibration now when we touch on our screen. Here you will see when we touch on our screen I feel vibration. So I hope this video helps you to on vibrate on touch in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you want to get more information about any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.